Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, July 20th. We continue our readings from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. As always, after the reading, we're going to do a short meditative reflection around the subject. Today's essay is titled Out from Under. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Job. All the darkness, I'm going to walk into the light. Sometimes there is just too much to consider, too much to understand and analyze, too many consequences to play out in our mind, too many things to clean, unpack, or repair before we can go out and play. Sometimes the simplest and best use of our will is to drop it all and just walk out from under everything that is covering us, even if only for an hour or so. Just walk out from under the webs we've spun, the tasks we've assumed, the problems we have to solve. They will be there when we get back, and maybe some of them will fall apart without our worry to hold them up. I love it. Short and beautiful. So let's do a little reflection around that. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keep your breath nice and soft, natural. And remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about this moment. Everything is the way it is, and it's okay. It's enough. Your breath is enough. You are enough. This moment is enough just the way it is. See if this reminder allows you to touch a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom in your whole being, where all the experiences of the moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can just flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now simply sit quietly for a few moments and try to stop working your problems. With each breath, put a concern down and feel your being intact without it. Breathe freely and realize that your being is whole, whether you solve your problems or not. Let me give you about a minute to do that. Whenever a concern comes into your mind, imagine putting it down and noticing that your being is still whole without it. Now place your hands on your heart And send the energy of loving kindness to yourself in gratitude for being here, for your dedication, for doing this practice. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to put this into practice and see if you can just walk out from under the webs you've spun, the tasks you've assumed, the problems you have to solve, even if it's just for a few minutes. All of these will be there when you get back, but maybe some of them will fall apart without you worry to hold them up. Wouldn't that be nice? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.